The Intensa 460 series examination table is intended to support patients during medical examinations. The 460 exam table shipping weight is about 400 pounds. We recommend placing the exam table on a hand truck and sufficient personnel for transport to its installation location. When pallet arrives, check for any obvious damage to the carton. If damage is evident, immediately notify the carrier and Intensa. Carefully remove external strapping and boxing. Carefully remove blocking from shipping pallet that secures the exam table to the pallet. Place pry bar under the base and the vinyl fabric, so the unit does not get damaged from the pry bar. Use a pry bar to remove the fastening blocks. Once the exam table is located in its final position, remove the internal transport strapping. Carefully remove the exam table from the shipping pallet. Examine the examination table and all components for nicks, dents, scratches, or other damage. If damage is evident, notify the carrier and Intensa. If the exam top and base are not level, leveling must be done. 1. Locate and remove all 4 leveling screw caps on the H-base leveling feet. 2. Adjust all screws using a 3/8" hex key by turning clockwise. Stop turning when each screw touches the floor. 3. Replace leveling screw cap when leveling is completed. An extra fuse is located in the back left, under the head, next to the off button. Squeeze the tab with fingernails and carefully pull out. In order to attach the power cord to the unit, lift and support the back with one hand. Plug in and check if the green light is on the control box. The Intensa 460 series examination table is now ready to use. Contact your Intensa representative to see how the 460 series exam table can streamline your caseload and transform your examination room.